welcome to Get My TDL. If you are watching this video first time, I request you to watch the last video in which I have explained about Get My TDL associated partnership, benefit for all Tally users, all subscribers. First of all, thank you for your interest in associating with Get My TDL. We have received many interest. Lot of partners expressed their interest in associating with us, and they also have a lot of doubts. Explaining to each and every person is a time-consuming job. So in this video, I am going to clear all your doubts. So the first question is that please share the list of free add-ons. Yes, I have published in my YouTube channel. You can click on that playlist. In that I have created a category called free add-ons for associated partners. All add-ons listed in that group is free. Okay, except customization, modification, online solution, web solutions, mobile app, etc. All other add-ons are free. Now the next question is that will you provide trial TCP? Yes, of course we will provide trial TCP. What you can do is, what add-on you need, you can email us. We will reply with the trial TCP, not a matter. And you will get unlimited trial. Now the next question, will you provide TCP for my customer serial number? Yes, sure. What you can do is, you can send your customer serial number, so we will reply compare the TCP to your meeting. Now the next question is, can you add my company contact details in TCP? During this 22 years, we have not added Get My TDL contact details in any of the add-on, in any of the source code, that you know. So in this also, we are not going to add our contact details. We are going to add your contact details in the TCP. The next question, will you give upcoming add-ons free? Yes, all existing add-ons and all upcoming future add-ons are free for associated partners. Next question, can you start Prime TDL training? Please train my staff. You are having years of experience in the market. There are many seniors. The concept of Get My TDL, we started with TDL training only. We have trained above 500 Tally partners, but that was related to Tally.ERP9. Now for the Prime, we are planning. Please train my staff. This is a wonderful question. I know that you are trying to develop your staff. You are investing the money. You are training them. You are making them expert. Later, they will quit your company. This is what happening in every company. Once they get expertism, they will quit your company and they are going to be your competitor in your city. Here you will get benefit of this associated partnership, because we are going to give all add-ons free to you. Then why you are worrying about there are top selling add-ons? Why can't you sell? This is not about all stuff. There are some genuine stuff. They are really asset for the organization. Whenever we are planning TDL training in the future, and that will be only to the associated partners, that time you can join us. But in this concept, in associated partnership concept, we are planning a portal. Portal means it's a blog, it's a private blog of associated partners. Okay, in that we are going to have some knowledge discussions. We can plan a lot of things from that knowledge base. We found a commonly demanded product, we can develop that add-on also. Next, please remove sale rate from your YouTube videos. Yeah, now you can see my YouTube channel. All prices are removed. As per request, we have removed all prices. You can sell these add-ons at your own branding, at your own price. Okay, we want to make you comfortable. Next question, happy to work with Get My TDL. Can we pay in installments? See, I can understand that situation. All are having this problem, no business, no sales. I think majority of my associated partners are balancing their life by selling these add-ons. You have to earn money. You should be very happy. You should be very comfortable. Then only you will listen Get My TDL. Understood? See, we are in continuous research and development of unique technologies. And using these unique technologies, we used to make unique solutions. And after making these unique solutions, to whom we are giving? To you only. To our associated partners only. If you are not comfortable in your life and in business growth, you will not listen to these. So our policy is that let all Tally partners earn with Get My TDL. You can explore, you can utilize Get My TDL offer. Sell at your own price, sell at your branding, earn more, and give these add-ons free with your AMC. For fresh installation, you can give these add-ons free. A lot of things are there. You can just explore this benefit. So now come to that installment area. Can we pay in installments? See, installment option and all is not there. But what I can do is, you can just pay 2,500 plus GST and start associate partnership and use this 1 month. During this 1 month, we are going to serve you same like associated partner. We will give you unlimited trial TCP. We will give you unlimited complete TCP as per your serial number. So pay 2,500 plus GST. You start dealing. Okay, we will serve you same like associated partner. We will give you 1 month time. You earn from these add-ons and pay for the associated partnership. If you want to connect with me personally, you can follow me on Instagram, and I will also follow you. We will have good relation, and a personal relation is the strong relation for our business. So if you are interested to associate with us, you can WhatsApp me. We will discuss. I hope I have explained everything clearly. So that's all for today's video. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.